Did you know back in 1973 when this home was built, the current land speed record was 622.4 miles an hour, held by Gary Gallbeck driving the Blue Flame rocket car? Traveling from the Calgary Tower to here, that would take approximately 57.5 seconds. And that is precisely how fast you should get here and buy this 1,350 square foot bungalow with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, sitting on this massive corner lot with an oversized double detached garage that is 25 by 26 feet with RV parking. This property will not last long. Come check it out.
I wanna be nowhere but here with you now. I wanna be one in this space. I wanna be tangled and wrapped in your cloud. I wanna be close to your face. Well, tomorrow can wait. Freezing time in this place till the sun is awake. Like a magnet on me. I don't care what they say. We can do it our way. And if love's just a game, then come and play. I see